Hey, how's it going? I'd like to welcome you to my Subway demo mock website. Now, I did my best to mimic the original Subway website as best as I can. And so I'll be doing a comparison here in a bit from the original to mine. But overall, this is a HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript website. Now, usually when I'm creating a new website like this, which is a mock-up of another site or just standard JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, I usually use Python's web framework Flask to do it. But for this one, I wanted to challenge myself a little bit more, so I used Django instead. Again, this is only focusing on website design, so this website has no back-end functionality to it. First, quickly, let me go ahead and show you the original site, which is this one right here, as you can see up here with the URL. So this is the official Subway website right here, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll through it, and then you can see all of the different elements inside of it. Again, back to the top. And now let's go ahead and check out my mock-up of the site. And so here we are on mine, and as you can see up here by the URL. So let's just go ahead and scroll through here. As you can see, I try to mimic it as best as I could. And back up to the top. Now this is responsive to mobile websites. So let's just go ahead and go here and actually see what that looks like on smaller devices. As you see here, it's very responsive. Let's go ahead and make it the smaller screen and go ahead and scroll down. Okay. All right, so this has been my Subway mockup website using Django, and I hope you enjoyed it.